Hi everybody, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. I am really excited and I decide to share with you guys. So I designed this bracelet. This is a bracelet that you can make into a bangle if you prefer, or a bracelet. And I wanted to share with you guys that I made it to the Bead and Button magazine. It's gonna come out April 1st, and I'm really excited. So I just wanted to share. Another thing that I'm excited about, I'm really proud because these are actually my bracelets. They use the colors that I use when I designed them. These are colors that I put together, and that's the way. They didn't change anything, so it's another thing that I feel proud of it. Like you guys know, I'm a little bit afraid to combine colors. I'm starting to doing better about mixing colors. I'm going to have available all the materials you're going to need to make the bracelet available on my website in these 3 different colors, and it's gonna have the needles, the thread, and everything you need to make your bracelet. That's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you.